Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are good. It's me Zarmina Amjad and welcome back to our YouTube channel Sellers Guide. Today's video is about the Amazon new update. If you sell product on Amazon in the UK or Europe market, then you might have received a notification asking you to verify your identity. And this is a part of Amazon Know Your Customer or KYC verification process. And if you don't complete it on time, your account could be suspended. But don't worry. Today in this video, I will walk through the entire process and by the end of this video, you will know exactly what documents you need and how to submit them correctly to get verified quickly and keep selling without any issues. Basically, KYC is a process that is used by banks, financial institutions, and platforms like Amazon to verify the identity of their users. Now, Amazon requires from some sellers to verify their identity to ensure that either they meet the regulations of UK and Europe market. It helps ensure only legitimate business and individuals sell on Amazon, preventing fraud and financial crimes. But the next question is here, why is KYC required for Amazon sellers? Because Amazon must comply with Europe or UK financial regulations that require identity verifications for all sellers. KYC helps Amazon to prevent fraud activities, identity theft, and money laundering. And if you fail to complete the verification, Amazon may suspend your account or hold your funds. This KYC is for the new sellers, like if you recently created an Amazon seller account and you will need to complete KYC before you can start selling. And it's also for the existing sellers. Amazon may ask you to update or verify your identity due to regulatory changes. Now that we know why KYC important, so let's go and see how you can complete your verification easily. Next question is here, what's new in Amazon's KYC process? Amazon recently updated its help pages to provide clear guidance on KYC verification. And this update include step-by-step instructions like how to upload document and update seller information, also provide the guidelines for different seller types like individual sellers, companies, and non-profit. It provides a country-specific requirements so seller know exactly what to submit. It also provides a clear document criteria to help sellers submit correct and acceptable documents, and it also updated frequently asked questions section explaining where how to submit a power of attorney document and what a beneficial owner and legal representative mean. So the next step is, if you want to check if your account require a verification, go to Amazon Seller Central. After login, performance notification, or in account information where Amazon send verification request. And if you see a request for identity verification, then don't ignore it. You need to submit the required documents as soon as possible. For gathered documents, Amazon requires different documents that are depending on your seller type. Like for the individual sellers, a government issue ID like passport, national ID, or driver license will be required. Also, a proof of address will be required. And for the business sellers, certificate of incorporation or business registration document, a proof of business address, and a proof of identity will be required. For non-profit organization, some legal representatives IDs and proof of address, an official registration document providing non-profit status will be required. So while uploading document, some pro tips that you should keep in mind, your document must be clear, high quality scans, the name and address on your document must match your Amazon seller account details, and submit unexpired documents because Amazon reject expired IDs. So for uploading documents, go to your Seller Central, select the document types in the account information that you are uploading, upload clear, scan copies in PNG or PDF format, click submit and wait for Amazon's review. While uploading document, the common mistake that you should avoid, don't upload blurry or cropped images, don't submit an expired IDs, and don't use dot document that don't match your Amazon seller details. Next question is what happens after you submit your documents. Then Amazon's reviews process will start. Amazon will review your document within 2 to 5 business days. If your documents are approved, your account remain active. And if Amazon needs more information, they will send you an email. But if your documents are rejected, Amazon will tell you why your submission was rejected. You must upload correct documents as soon as possible. And if you don't respond them, Amazon may suspend your account. Amazon also updated some frequently asked questions like how long does verifications take? Usually 2 to 5 days, but may take longer if additional documents are needed. What happens if you fail to complete the verification? Then Amazon may hold your payments or suspend your account. Beneficial owner is a person who owns 25 or more of a company. And how do I submit a power of attorney document? Then you can upload it under the legal representative documents in Seller Central. So after uploading documents, you can check your email regularly for Amazon notifications, use high quality scans for your document, submit your document as soon as possible to avoid account suspension. So now you know how to complete your Amazon KYC verification smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more Amazon seller tips. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I will be happy to help. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.